Hi folks, welcome to the Uploading a New File for Translation tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a file you've just received for translation. It's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is ask yourself this question. Is this file part of a new project? Or does it belong to a project I've already registered and is only now being sent by the client? Why is this question important? Because there's a slight difference in the way you upload a file for a new project and a file that's part of a project you've already registered. This difference has to do with the project number. After linking a file to a client, SIT automatically assigns the project number. However, in the case of a file that's part of an existing project you've already registered, you need to select the project number from a list. Since this is the only difference, I'll show you how to upload a file to a new project and how to choose the project number yourself when uploading a file to an existing project. We start by clicking on Translator's Office, then on SIT, and now on Upload a New File. 3 easy steps. Next, click Link to a Client. If the client you're looking for isn't listed, click on Add a New Client. This brings you back to the client registration form. If you're in a hurry, you can plug in just the client's name, but remember, it will have to be filled out sooner or later. The video, Managing Your Clients, will give you some tips on how to do it. Now, I'm going to choose a different client this time and click on TrueCore. Now, click Browse, followed by Drive C, then on the SIT root folder, then on Clients, and then on the client TrueCore. Next, I'll click on the Source folder, and then double-click on the file you just received, Services Agreement Docs. The process ends here, as the file is ready to be uploaded. Just click on Upload. But now, I'll show you what to do when the file you're uploading is part of an existing project. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that after you choose the client, SIT automatically assigns the project number because it understands it's a new project. Since this is a file that must be associated with an existing project, all you have to do is select the project number. But how? Just click on this arrow and open the client's project list. Then, select and click on the project you want. Okay, the project number's been changed, and now the file will be saved as part of that project, not as a new one. The last step of the process is to set the target language, which is English, and click Upload. Remember that every file added to an existing project must be set up as a job. Now, if you forget or overlook any of these steps, don't panic. A message will pop up on screen and let you know which step is missing. And lastly, remember that you can upload 2 or more files at the same time, as long as they're part of the same project and the same language pair. Your loading area should look like this after you include all files for upload. Before we wrap this up, I want to give you a heads up about a couple of things. 1. Never upload a file showing revision marks or with track changes turned on. Make sure to turn off track changes and accept all changes first. 2. Some PDF files are generated with a type of formatting that leaves fragmented segments. If this happens, here's what you do. Select all the contents of the PDF file using Ctrl-C. Open a notepad and paste the contents onto it using Ctrl-V. Then, save the TXT file with the same name as the original PDF file and use the TXT file as the original file to upload a new file for translation. If you've already set up the project and job for the file in question, you'll have to delete the project before uploading the new TXT file. To do that, click on Client Management. Choose the client and click on Manage Clients Projects. Then, click on the trash can icon for the project being deleted. You'll then get a message asking you to confirm the deletion. Now, click on Delete, and the project's gone. Now, let's say the file is in picture format. For instance, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or BMP. This isn't uncommon, as some classified documents are scanned and sent for translation in this format. In such cases, CIT uses its own OCR, optical character recognition, to convert a scanned document into editable text. Before uploading a scanned text file, make sure it has a resolution of at least 300 dpi or higher, because CIT's OCR can't read resolutions below 300 dpi. Just a reminder to make sure to assign the target language before uploading the file. Once that's done, you can upload the file you just saved. One more thing. If, at any time, you're looking for fast answers to your questions, and you don't feel like referring back to the videos, just click on More and then on Quick Find. There, you'll find a short written version of all the instructions. Well, there you have it. Now that you know how to upload a new file, the next step is to watch the video editing an uploaded file. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.